So, do you want something like this? You see, this quiz funnel, there's a quiz funnel, this is a quiz funnel. And as you know, quiz funnels are like the next best thing. Um, they've been performing for a very long time now. They are so much better than a generic PDF that treats everyone the same. Quiz funnel helps you to segment your leads properly and also qualifies them. It does two things. It's win-win. It helps you provide better services and better offerings for your leads, and at the same time gives you more information for you to know how best to offer your services and your offerings, your products to these leads. It also qualifies your leads because you don't want leads that are not actually suitable for you. So let's just dive into one as an example. Find your favorite coffee again and again. This is just a base example. Um, and I'll show you how to duplicate something like that. So start your quiz, start a quiz, find your personalized match. So it asks you about the coffee. How do you feel about trying new coffees, and why we ask. I stick to what I have. Coffee maker. Just ask you a couple of questions to get what you like. Ground. Just answer. I'm just answering in random. So it's going to, and then it says, okay, fruity lights roast single origins. So now, because you brew, drip, and chase, it gives you the reason why they are actually offering you this particular type of coffee because of the questions you answered. Based on your answer, they were able to figure out what you would prefer best. Now, this is good. See, at the end of the day, the result is that they want to offer you one of their products that you are going to like a whole lot. This is a very, very good funnel, especially for um, e-commerce websites. So we have another one. I wouldn't waste too much time. I wouldn't waste too much time. Just want you to see what is possible. Just answer randomly. Just don't mind what I'm putting in. Okay, just answer randomly. Um, okay, so celebrity trainers. Now, see this funnel. What this funnel does is it takes you from that particular quiz and then brings you to the results page. And what does this result page does? In fact, they don't even ask you for anything upfront. They don't ask you for your details, anything upfront. What they're asking you is for you to see what is possible, and then they create a VSL that is relatable to that particular category you fall under based on the answers you gave. So we are going to be building out something similar to this. The UI will be different, of course, because it's not good to just copy someone else's work and brand it as your own. It's good to find your own concept, tweak your own concept. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But just for example, we are going to be doing something similar to this. So let me just show you fast how you can do that. So I'll be using Claude for the thought process. I'll be using GoHighLevel for the actual development. So this is what I'm going to do. I need you to build so now while it cooks, let's go down to GoHighLevel and tell it I need it. Okay, let's make it emulate the UI, but we are going to tweak it to not look exactly like what we are where we are coming from, and see if we are building our own copy. We are not using the copy as it is right here. We are not going to be doing that. We just want something that like the UI, the color composition, and some other things like that that emulates the UI of the below URLs. So we're using this and this. So the below are the exact details of my quiz. Make sure to use proper design concepts, animations, and images, icons, as applicable. Right. All right. So then we'll give it the details. Specific. Write out the full details of every question, scoring, and results. So Claude has this habit of displaying things visually now, and it kind of defeats the purpose of um, us being able to copy the details and paste it inside of the builder. So I just wanted to build the whole thing out, and then you're going to see exactly what we are working with, and then all we have to do is just copy the details, the questions, the algorithm, everything, and then paste it. So let's wait for it. All right, so we have a response, and as you can see, it's quite lengthy. So all you have to do is copy the response and then come over to the builder, paste the response, and then let it do its magic. All right, so we have our result right here. So if you can see, there is something missing, which is the home page, the landing page, right? We need a landing page to couple with this. We don't just want people to just move straight into the quiz. You can build a landing page separately, that's fine, but you can also just ask it to do it. You don't have to stress yourself. So all you have to do is tell it, I need you to build a landing page, a landing page uh, before the questions are displayed. Um, Visually appealing with the right image in the background. So once you paste that, anything you want to tweak, anything you don't like, just tell it. It's going to adjust it and adjust the design, and then you're going to see the updates, and then you can keep tweaking until you have what you want. As you can see, we already have something that's visually good, simple, straight up, and also has the fitness industry kind of design, if you know what I mean. So let's wait for the response. All right, so what I want you to look at is the beautiful result we got just from this one single line of prompt. And this is the preview. So let's just go ahead and uh, go into the quiz. This is looking very good. This is looking very, very professional. So take the free quiz, you get to answer all the questions. I'm just going to be answering randomly. And then your personalized plan is here. If you want to include anything, you can just tell it, this is what I want to include. And then all you have to do now is say show my personalized plan. Now see the way it displays the results. This is very, very good. Now you can do something, you can reduce the amount of information in the result page and send it as an email. This is another trick I want you to know. If you reduce the amount of information here and tell them, okay, so check your email, you've been sent your recovery plan, weight loss plan, whatever it might be, then you can input all of this information as the email. So the email is not only going to have a high open rate, it's also going to have a good engagement rate. Like if you have any call to action people can click on, is going to have a very, very good click-through rate and also a very good open rate. It's also one way to increase your domain integrity, if you know what I mean. So now from here, you say start your 6 week rapid reset, get the full nutrition, and then your call to action can be here. If you have a particular product, if you have a particular course, you can link it to this button right here by just prompting it. I need you to link it to this. So now all of this is still a preview. Note that for you to actually be able to use it, you need to connect it to your CRM. All you have to do is click on type connect to CRM, or just click on the first. Sometimes it previews the button, it shows the button for you to click on connect this to the CRM. But you can do that by just prompting it connect this to the CRM. Now it's going to if you do that, it will connect it to your CRM and make sure that as people are clicking on the link and putting their details to see their results, they are getting into your funnel, and from there you can build automations to serve them, you can build pipelines to segment them, and also prompt it to do the segmentation for you. So this is a game changer. If you're not yet using quiz funnel, this is your sign to start using it. And if you don't have a GoHighLevel account and you also want to have this, if you're using any other CRM and you also want to have this as fast as possible, you can reach out to me through my email, and I am going to guide you through the process or help you achieve whatever it is you want to achieve. And also, I'll be dropping a video in the next over the next 2 weeks on how to actually do this even without GoHighLevel's AI Studio. If that's something you care about, consider subscribing to the channel. Peace out.